Hi there, registered dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist Toby Smithson here with Diabetes Every Day, bringing you credible advice on diabetes management. Remember to hit the red subscribe button and head over to my website to sign up for my newsletter. Well, I'm back today to introduce you to a must-try recipe developed by fellow registered dietitian Lisa Andrews from her recent cookbook called Heart Healthy Meal Prep. Full disclosure, this is already the second time I'm making this recipe. We made this recipe while visiting our kids, and everyone at the table gave the recipe 2 thumbs up. So now that we are back home, we are ready to cook this delicious, warm, and comforting sweet potato peanut stew for Thanksgiving. Before we get started, I just wanted to point out a couple key attributes to this book. Yes, it's a cookbook, but it also helps with meal prep for 6 weeks, including the meal plan, shopping list, and step-by-step meal prep tips for each week. Thumbs up. Okay, let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients. 1 tablespoon corn oil, 1 small yellow onion, chopped, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground allspice, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 2 15-ounce cans, no added salt, crushed tomatoes, 2 large sweet potatoes, peeled and diced, 2 cups low-sodium vegetable broth, and 1/2 cup natural peanut butter. Get the peanut butter that has the oil separated at the top of the jar. In a large soup pot or Dutch oven, heat the oil over medium heat. Add the onion, bell pepper, and garlic, and saute for about 5 minutes until the vegetables are softened. Next, add the spices: cumin, allspice, ginger, and cayenne, and stir to coat. Next, stir in the tomatoes, sweet potatoes, vegetable broth, and peanut butter. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for 25 minutes while stirring occasionally. You want to cook the stew until the sweet potatoes are very soft. And the stew is now ready to serve, and I'll be serving this as a side dish to my Thanksgiving meal. This recipe makes 4 servings, and each 1 cup serving contains 395 calories, 12 grams of protein, 35 grams carb, 9 grams fiber, 19 grams fat, 3 grams saturated fat, and 213 milligrams sodium. Again, thank you, Lisa, for loaning us your recipe. I know this is going to be a regular dish on our menu during the fall and winter season. Let me know how you like it. Cheers to your health.